Okay, it's attempt 3. We decided not to put attempt 2 on because it didn't really work out at all. Okay, we were trying different matches to put Egbert here in a bottle. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to put in the newspaper just like last time, but this time we're trying to fuse. Kind of with newspaper, yeah. Okay, hopefully this will work. It worked our first time, but it doesn't want to work a second time. Okay, now I will do the matches, yeah.
Hopefully these matches will work better than the other ones.
Oh, I can do it.
Try to leave this newspaper.
Oh, it stuck my finger.
Oh, it's leading, it's leading.
Oh, it's leading. Put Egbert on. Okay, now really, Egbert's gonna be sucked in. He's being sucked in, kind of.
No, it takes a while, remember?
No, just don't push, don't push. Hello? Did it put itself out?
It should work, it's just a heat.
Hello, Egbert?
Your egg needs to be rounder. Yeah. Maybe it's Egbert's fault. Maybe we need to boil a different egg.
Fault.
Egbert, the last time we had Egbert, his back got kind of chewed out. You can see why.
He tastes bad.
Don't put your face in.
Yeah.